If you want to download itch.io games on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can get your game downloaded, extracted if needed, and open correctly on your PC. This is a simple method, and once you know it, you can use it again and again for other itch.io games too. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once you're on the site, use the search bar or browse until you find the game you want to download. When you open the game page, look for the Download button. This is usually near the game details or the download section on the page. Click Download to begin. In some cases, itch.io may show you an option asking for support or a payment prompt. If you want to skip that, just click No Thanks and continue to the download. After that, click Download again to start the actual file download. Now wait for the file to finish downloading completely before doing anything else. Depending on the game size and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the download is done, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. If the file is a zip file, right-click it and choose Extract All, or use your preferred unzip tool. Then pick a location where you want the game files to be saved and wait for the extraction to finish. After the files are extracted, open the folder you just created. Inside, look for the game's executable file, usually a file ending in .exe. Double-click that .exe file to launch the game and start playing. If Windows shows a security prompt, just review it carefully and allow the app if you trust the source. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an itch.io game on Windows and launched it properly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.